Huawei is trying to quickly bring new smartphones to the market with 2:1 screens. In addition to the flagship Huawei Mate 10 Pro, the Mate 10 Lite is already available. Its analog is Honor 7X and, theoretically, they will soon announce the release of Honor View 10, V10. But today we'll talk about P Smart, a relatively inexpensive device for $250, which is sold from February 9th. Design, usability. Huawei P Smart is a relatively simple device. So from the point of view of design, the model does not offer anything extraordinary. However, this does not mean that he looks bad. The back of the smartphone is made of sheet metal. There are plastic inserts on the top and bottom that are necessary for the normal operation of the wireless modules. A slight emphasis is placed on two cameras. They almost imperceptibly protrude above the surface, and their lenses are protected by plastic rims. Since most of the front panel is occupied by the screen, and the place on them is the manufacturer's logo, the fingerprint scanner was placed at the back. Traditionally, there are no comments on his work. This is a quick sensor that works in most situations. It has additional functions. With a swipe, you can open the notification panel or scroll through photos in the gallery. Tap to take photos and turn off timers, alarms. The arrangement of the remaining elements is traditional. Physical keys on the right, all connectors on the bottom, nano SIM, micro SD holder on the left, and on top, an additional microphone for noise reduction. The device is well assembled and feels quite light. The dimensions of the case are comparable to the usual 5-inch smartphones, so the P Smart turned out to be relatively small. Of course, due to the new proportions, they reach the top edge of the screen somewhat uncomfortably, but this does not cause big problems. Nevertheless, we have a rather compact device.